Hi dosto, how are you all? I am your dost and host, Practical Pratap. So friends, as we all know that on the earth, 3/4 of the water is saline water, means that is not drinkable, and only 1/4 of the water is drinkable. And according to the population of the world, I think it is very less. And do you know in our house life where most of the water used to get drained? Yes, this is our RO purifier. So friend, today we are going to talk about this. So let's start. So I have got this idea from the lockdown time because I was given the duty to fill the bottles and keep them in the refrigerator. So I have found that the water that I was filling in the bottle, more of that water was going through the sink. So I realized that I should work on it. So that's why today I made this video. So friends, what can we do to preserve this water is we can use this bucket to preserve this water. See, the full form of RO is reverse osmosis. Means in this, when we used to pull the knob up, the pressure of water used to hit the filter and the water gets filtered and the waste water used to come in the drainage. But this water is having a very large amount because if you will fill 1 liter of water in a bottle, 3 liter of the water will get in the sink. So I think we should definitely do something about it. And the question arises that why cannot we drink this water? The thing is that this water is containing calcium, minerals, chloride and chlorine, which is not essential for drinking or cooking. So where can we use this water? We can use this water in floor mopping, in car washing, in clothes washing, in utensils washing, and most obvious, we can use this water in watering the plants. So friends, I have found an idea for this. So let's see that idea. So friends, I live in a tower in a society. So our tower is having 18 floors. So friends, let's calculate that how much RO water is wasted every day. So let's start. So friends, in one house, average drinking water used is 10 liter. In one floor, there are 8 flats. Total floor in our building are 18 floor. So total quantity of water that is used is 1440 liter. If you fill 1 liter of water bottle, 3 liter water is wasted. So therefore, as I said you, 1440 into 3 liter of wasted water of RO equals to 4320 liter. And friends, according to one building, that is a very huge amount and we are having very less water. So let's do something. So friends, suppose this is a 7th floor building and of every floor's RO wastewater pipeline is connecting to the main pipeline. Then this pipeline is going to the storage water tank, and this storage water can be used for the maintenance of plants in the society, and it can be also given to the car washers for washing the cars in the society. So friends, this was my whole plan for saving this waste water. So friends, if you like the video, so give it a like, comment and please subscribe. Thank you. We will meet again. Bye.